If you want to know how to get an Orca card, I'll show you here on Travel Tricks. Before we get started, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you will subscribe to my channel as I work to make your next vacation the best one. If you want to use the many transit options available in Seattle, from the Monorail to the Sound Transit to the Lightlink rail services, you'll need to use an Orca card. When you approach an Orca ticket station, you'll have two choices. On the left, you can get a one-way or all-day Link light rail tickets. You can choose a destination, or you can get a ticket to the SeaTac Airport. As the Lightlink rail does go to the SeaTac Airport, a great way to travel for those flying to Seattle. On the right, you have the choice to buy a new Orca card or load your existing Orca card. In this video, we learn how to buy a new Orca card. It will say on screen, new Orca fare cards cost $3. So what money you put on the card, $3 will be added to the total. You can add money or you can add a monthly pass. In this video for travelers to Seattle, your best savings is to add money. So click the button, Add Money. The next screen will offer different prices to add to your Orca card, from $5 to $100, or you can click Other to choose a different cash amount. I'll press $5. On the next screen, you can buy one card or add more by pressing the button Plus Card. Or add a pass by pressing Plus Pass. Your payment for the Orca card is $3. And you're going to put $5 on the card. On screen, it's called your e-purse. On the right, your payment is a total of $8. If you're satisfied with your purchase, you click the blue button with the word Pay. On this screen, you have the choice to pay by cash or card. If you're paying by cash, you can insert bills and coins now. I'll put in $20. And with $5 intact, your own Orca card. If you want to learn more how to use your Orca card, check out these videos on how to use a Lightlink and Monorail in Seattle. I hope you enjoyed this video and subscribe to my channel, Travel Tricks, as I'm always trying to make your next vacation the best one. Thank you.